Iranian new drones dubbed Shahed-136 were combined with missiles in a drill. Iran has called these types of drones a suicide drone or kamikaze drone. This means they fly into a target and self-destruct. This was the first time this type of drone was mentioned in overseas deployment. Prior to this, Iran had built kamikaze drones, but this specific type had not been seen in public military drills. Based on Tehran's state-run and semi-official media, the Shahed-136 exists and is not only a kamikaze drone, but that Iran has created a new way to launch the drones in a kind of multiple launch or drone swarming format. Drone swarms are a new technology whereby multiple drones are used to strike at targets. This can overwhelm air defenses and/or wreak havoc. The new launcher that Iran unveiled in its recent drill appears to have 5 layers or racks on which drones can be fitted before launch. The launcher can be mounted on the back of a truck, so it could be disguised as freight and look like any other commercial truck plying the roads. Iran's new launcher for its Shahed-136 ostensibly gives it the ability to not only hide them but to put 5 drones in these types of converted trucks. It could conceivably launch dozens of these drones at a target in a kind of swarm. Although there is no evidence the drones can communicate with each other or that they have the kind of advanced AI swarming capability that exists in the West, it does not mean they do not pose a threat. A truck with a secret drone compartment can be used to strike at vulnerable targets or be used to probe air defenses.